What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about this time that I went out in the snowstorm for a gram, just to buy a gram. So let me talk to you guys about it. This story begins actually on Christmas Day, I believe, because I got Christmas money. I got like $100-200 in Christmas money. So let's start this fucking story. So I wake up on Christmas Day, and Christmas Day is normal. We start opening gifts around 10 a.m. I think. My mom comes over, alright, and we like get our gifts on. Start opening gifts. Not unrelated to the story. I got a bunch of like skateboarding stuff. It was sick. But I also got $200 there, and I was like, this is gonna be sick. And it was $200 and 20, so I was like, I could use like 20 of this to get some weed, and it'll be great. So after we get all the Christmas stuff done, we eat dinner and shit, I hit up the plug. I hit up Tim, and I'm like, yo, what's up? Can I come over and buy today? And surprisingly, he was like, yeah, because people would be busy on that day, but he wasn't. So he says yeah, and he said I could slide around like 10 p.m. and it was like around 5 or 6ish. So I was like chilling. So I was like chilling all day. I was just playing games. I was probably bought a game on Xbox, and then like gave the money to my dad and shit. Like some shit like that. I always did that. But probably was playing games, and then 10 p.m. hits, and I get on my coat, put some gloves and shit on, and I like sneak my way outside. I remembered I'd use we'd have a backyard just for our dog, so I'd like go out in the backyard. I'd keep the door open because it was always locked. Then I'd hop over the fence, and then I'd go on. And this time that I did it, when I like I didn't close the door. I would like prop it open. I walked out, and it was like snowing so bad this night, and I just like hopped over the fence, and like it was like ankle deep in snow, and I was like, bro, oh my god, I'm really doing this right now. I have the $20 secured, about to go buy a gram or two of this fucking weed, bro. And Tim's house is like down the block, so it's not even that far away. I walked there. It was like 10 minutes because like the snow, I was going slow, and I'm walking down, and I get to his window, because he always had me pull up to his window. He's on the first story. I lightly tap on the window, and he opens the curtain, lifts up the window, and he's like, yo, what's good? And he hops out with me, and I'm like, you got it? And he's like, yeah, I got it rolled up. And I was like, huh? And he was like, yeah, I thought we were gonna smoke it. I was like, oh shit. But I was gonna keep the gram to myself, but I didn't mind smoking with him. So I gave him the 20, and he starts lighting it, and I remember he starts lighting it, and I'm like really bad. I'm like, dude, you really gonna spark it up right here? What if a cop comes by? I'm like tweaking like that. And he's like, bro, we're fine. And then like we start walking around the block and shit, and I'm like, bro, I'm really getting nervous, bro. We should be smoking a blunt out here. And he's like, all right, fine. And he like goes through this one house, don't even know who it is, goes in their backyard, and I'm like, dude, what are you doing? He's like, bro, just follow me. We go in this backyard, and he goes like in the middle between these two walls, and it's like a little shed thing, and he goes under the shed, and I'm like, bro, what the hell are you doing? And he's like, bro, you said you wanted to hide from that shit. And I'm like, bro, we're fucking on someone else's house and shit. I'm just like, it's whatever, bro, fuck it. So we're still smoking it. I remember we had to light it up again because he was like running with the guy in the snow, and we started smoking it, and it's hitting me. I'm feeling good, and I start to like freak out. I'm like, bro, we about to get caught. I'm like hearing bunnies in the grass, in the snow, and I'm like thinking it's footsteps and shit. Like, bro, I'm like tweaking out. The shit was so fucking funny, but And I remember we get done with this blunt, and he fucking throws it in their yard. And I'm like, dude, what if they see that? And he's like, bro, come on. And I'm just like, bro, what if they see that? And they trace the dust, bro. And I'm just like, remember, I'm fucking tweaking like a dumbass. And he's like, bro, just come on now, come on. And I was like, all right, fuck it. And we started going by. We started walking away from that house, and we go by, and I see a cop go down this one street, and I'm just like, dude, I gotta get home. He's like, bro, for real? And I was like, yeah. I dab him up. I'm like, wait, bro. And I remember running back home, and I just remember it was the worst time, bro. I ran back home. I got back inside, and I didn't feel shit. I was down $20. Fucking, I smoked a blunt, and I don't even feel it when I'm at home. And then I remember, oh shit, I got 180 more bucks. I could fucking call someone else. And I'm pretty sure I called up the other dude, this other guy I talked about, and I was just like, yo, could you slide it with like actual weed, like not just a blunt to smoke with? Like, bro, I was just wanted to tell that story because it was just so dumb, bro. A waste of $20 smoking weed in someone else's fucking house. Like what the fuck? But yeah, that was it. That's just a little story I got for you guys. Hope you enjoyed that shit. Thank you for watching. See ya.